Hi, my name is Iwona and today I'm going to show you how to add smoke or mist to a photo. I have a photo of a boy here standing next to a train, and we had a smoke machine during that shoot, but the smoke wasn't produced all the time. It was produced from time to time, and right now it moved up and created that mist above the boy. But I would like to have this smoke coming from underneath the train. So I'm going to use one of my smoke overlays, which you can find on my website, iwonapodlasińska.com. And here you can change the language by clicking on the flag in the corner and go to tutorials, editing resources, and you can find all the overlays that I will be using today. Let's go back to Photoshop. And here, find the overlays on your disk. Today I will be using Iwona Smoke 9. Just grab it and move it to Photoshop. And it should be open like this, so you should be able to transform the image. And then right click on the photo and use the option to flip. I will flip horizontally and vertically. Place it where you want it and click OK. Right now you need to change the blending mode from normal to screen. Okay, it looks good, but I would like to have the smoke behind the boy, not in front of him. So I need to remove it from the boy. And for that, I will use Quick Selection tool, because it's quick. I need to click on the layer with the boy and then use a Quick Selection tool. And just move my mouse around the boy to select. Okay, I'll go back to my Iwona Smoke 9 layer and add a layer mask. Right now the mask was inverted, so it was added by default as black on the outside of the selection and white inside the selection. I need that to be exactly the opposite, so I will click Ctrl or Command I on my keyboard. Okay, I'm pretty happy, but I will need to add some more brushes in order to make it more smooth. So I will remove some of that from here, not to have this line, and remove some of the smoke from the ground, from those suitcases. And right now what I need to do is to reduce the opacity of that layer a little bit, because I think it's too harsh. Okay, I'm pretty happy with the result right now, and I think I will add just a light effect, just one light effect to the photo before I finish it. So you can go to my website and find light effects. And I have them on my disk right now. I will use star number 3 and move it to the picture, make it bigger, and change the blending mode from normal to screen. Okay. I will group those two together to show you the before and after. Okay, I'm pretty happy with the result. And if you want to know how I edited the photo, because this is already a little edited, this was the original colors that it had, so I did a little bit of tweaking in Lightroom before I went to Photoshop. If you want to learn how I do those things, you have to go to my single videos or editing videos collections and find videos that cover all of my Lightroom editing and all my editing from the raw file to a ready image. Also, this photo was taken on a workshop, so if you are interested in joining one of the workshops, please check the workshops on my website, because I'm coming to USA. I will be in Western Europe and definitely in Poland as well. Thank you so much for your attention, and see you next time.